Hello everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Moods. Today I'm preparing avocado chocolate cake. Sugar and gluten-free and loaded with healthy fat. 2 small avocados, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons almond flour, 3 tablespoons erythritol, half a tablespoon baking powder, and a handful of your favorite nuts. We'll also use 3 tablespoons of Steve's sugar-free maple syrup. Start by placing the avocados in the food processor and adding to it the cocoa, the almond flour, the sweetener, I'm using erythritol, and the baking powder. We'll mix them until well combined. When my mixture is well blended, forming a batter, I will add the sugar-free maple syrup and the 2 eggs. I will then blend again until well combined. Lastly, I will add the nuts. I'm using hazelnut today, and I will blend thoroughly to make sure that my nuts are broken into coarse pieces. Then I will grease a small baking pan, pour the thick batter into the pan and spread it evenly. Tap the baking pan a bit and place it in a preheated oven on 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Now my cake is out and I will let it cool down before placing it into a beautiful serving plate. This brownie-like cake is dense but fluffy at the same time, very nutritious, very delicious, and is filling. It's very high in healthy fat, with virtually no sugar at all. Hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do, and see you next time.